Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get blood kelp seed. To begin, you will need to venture into the deep, dark biomass where blood kelp thrives, often found at depths exceeding 500 meters. Ensure you have a reliable vehicle, like a seamoth or cyclops, equipped for deep-sea exploration. A simple survival knife is also essential for harvesting. These seeds are crucial for various crafting recipes and cultivation projects. Once you locate a blood kelp plant, equip your survival knife. Approach the plant and use the knife to cut its stalks. Each successful cut will usually provide you with 1 or 2 blood kelp samples, which contain the seeds. Focus on the larger, more mature plants, often identifiable by their distinct glowing red sacs, to maximize your yield. Remember to keep an eye on your oxygen levels. Exploring these deep environments requires caution. The blood kelp zone is home to aggressive creatures such as ampeels and crab squids, which can damage your vehicle. Always maintain situational awareness, using your vehicle's sonar to detect threats before they become a problem. Ensure your vehicle has all necessary depth upgrades and ample power to avoid being stranded in the darkness. Once you have collected your blood kelp seeds, you can use them for various purposes. Primarily, they are excellent for cultivating new blood kelp plants within an alien containment unit in your base. This provides a sustainable source. Additionally, these seeds are a vital component in crafting advanced items, such as the nutritious cured fish, offering valuable sustenance during your explorations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.